Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to check out our local community garden. As you can see behind me, there are planters. A family can own one or two and they can plant anything they like. Behind me you can see corn, sunflower, and other stuff. You can plant in just one category or multiple, and there's a lot more over here. Let's check it out. Comes with soil and a tap or to water your plants. Yes, you have to do that. You can see a barn and the lovely sunset. There's lots of plants, some really big ones, some smaller ones too. Flowers, and behind it they completely stuffed their planter with plants. Nice, but nice white flowers, just like the purple ones. Look at that. I think they're sweet peas. Ooh. There are also tomatoes. Look at these pretty sunflowers. My hand. I'll make that some beans. And look like bleach. These are potatoes. They look like they've ranked these in squares. For those of you who don't know, if there's flowers on your potato plant, that means there's potatoes underground, which means harvest time. Green peppers over there, and some fake butterflies. There's lots of mosquitoes too. You can see here, there's a timed sprinkler, and there's sprinklers over here. Those rods, I guess. Empty right now, but it will grow. Then there's some tomatoes over here, some flowers, lots of tomatoes. And I think this is basil. Some more flowers and tomatoes. Ooh, look at these. And flowers. Some pink ones over here. Not that big, but they're so pretty. And little yellow ones. Tomatoes. People really like tomatoes. It's tough. With really big tomatoes. Lots of chilies. Some pumpkins, really big pumpkins. That's it for this video. I hope you like planting. And if you like this video, please like the video, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and share. See you later.